Thank you for watching. I'm here today to give you a brief overview, some general information, and my first impressions on these Wander socks sent to me by the seller for evaluation and available to you on Amazon. These are some of the best socks I have ever worn. Let me tell you what I love about them. Anytime I buy something online, especially when it has to do with clothing and apparel, is the quality of the materials and the quality of construction. So the first thing that I like to do is go through and make sure that there aren't any holes, that there aren't any rips, that there aren't any tears or frays in the material, that there aren't any stains, that the elastic works properly, that everything is structured well, and certainly want to make sure that it's going to be able to do the job and last for a long time. And after a thorough inspection, these are ready for wear. So I'm going to do a top-down approach with these socks. I'm going to start right here with the elastic. It's a very important part. It is firm elastic, but not too tight. It does keep the sock in place, but it doesn't leave a mark, and it's not, overly constricting. And the way that they put the heel in here makes it very comfortable, with a reinforced toe for better wear. And one of the other things that I love about Wander is the way that they present their socks. A lot of people get socks and give socks for birthdays and Christmas and other special events and holidays. And so the way that they package them is absolutely grade A. These are super comfortable socks. I really love wearing them, whether I'm wearing tennis shoes or sneakers, whether I'm wearing a type of boot or a casual shoe, or even if I'm wearing house slippers. They're very comfortable, very breathable. They keep my foot nice and cool. They also give my foot a lot of protection. And like I said with the elastic, they stay on my foot. There's no slipping and sliding down into my shoe. And that's a huge plus for me. And I've said this before with other items. For the price, they are a huge value. So if you are looking for a luxury sock with a luxury feel with a great value price, I highly recommend that you give Wander a look. They work for me. They are a keeper. Maybe they'll work for you as well.